tutorial on how to go ahead and buy themes. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So you can get themes for your profile by just going to this theme right here page, and then you can equip the different themes that you have. But to get the cool ones, you actually just go into your store, go to the point shop, and then from here there's a couple different things that you could do. I mean, you get these points just by playing games and stuff, and then there's a bunch of different themes and stuff that you can get. So let's scroll down here. So profile, we get backgrounds. These are all the different backgrounds you can get, and you can scroll through them, and they change every now and again, and you could just use your Steam points to go ahead and buy these themes and then equip them from here. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a Steam tutorial. Thank you.